AMC closing the week on a red note, closing with at 3.39% for the entire week, not the day. But does it even matter at this point? Knowing the real price, knowing what it's all going on and has been going on, with this thing so far? No, it doesn't matter. Now, what I want to cover in this video, guys, it's something still interesting, which I think a lot of people are not even getting the importance and how impactful this is, because the last time this happened, we had a major breakout. Remember where we're all in here on this, $8, $9, $10, $11 range, and all of a sudden it broke out and went to $14 in order to shoot all the way up to 26, then the next day all the way up to the high 60s. All right, because at the point since April, we had major banks, major institutions, major companies in Wall Street buying chunks and chunks of AMC shares. And back then, I remember clearly people were saying, oh, I don't know about this. It sounds fishy. It sounds, tricky. It doesn't sit well with me, because what if the institutions are here to buy these shares because they want to help hedges? What if they're here to, prevent the short squeeze from happening? What if they're there? There were so many what ifs, but nobody was complaining when we're all up the way up here at high 60s, and even at the point high low 70s, okay? Because everybody loves making money. Now, when I jump into AMC, these are the top 10 owners of the stock, okay? And you can see this is the amount of shares owned, this is the total value, and this is the total change since they started to buy, okay? It means not only they did not buy one time, they bought multiple times, but the last time they bought, this is the total change from the first time to the current state. Vanguard Group, BlackRock, Invesco, SSGA, George Capital, Susquehanna, Charles Schwab, BlackRock Investment Management, BlackRock Advisors, etc., and Charles Schwab. Those are the top 10, okay? And when you look at the total change, talking about 400% increase, 300%, 5,000% increase for Invesco, 400%, 300%. I mean, these numbers are incredible. These numbers are incredible. So the hedges can still continue to short this thing or drag this thing as far as they want to. But this is a bullish indicator, because if these guys are buying, holding, and even adding more, which I already shared with you on this week and early last week, man, it tells a lot. It speaks volume. So if I wanted to get it straight, you're telling me share price is between 30 and 40, okay? Big institutions are selling Amazon. They're selling high tech. I mean, check the NASDAQ lately, okay? Amazon dropped 7% today. They are deleveraging, or selling other positions in other assets of the market because they are preparing for something. And suddenly they add here into AMC, which is supposed to be highly inflated, which is supposed to be a high risk stock. And the DTCC is planning through the NSCC rule, in order to set up a parking lot for all these hedge funds and these banks to kind of park their shares while avoiding for a major fire sale to potentially come. It may be a coincidence, but there is no such thing as coincidence in the big money like this. So if you ask me personally, my opinion will be, hey, they are expecting unimaginable highs, and that's why they are adding, okay? So you may see it a different way, but again, everybody loves making money, even more so these guys.